This is a dual or double lens Wi-Fi camera. It uses V380 protocol. It has many features as shown on the box. One camera is fixed and the other is rotatable by 355 degrees and 90 degrees. In the box, rowel plugs and screws are provided. Power supply is provided, which is 12 volt and 2 amperes. Its AC side can be connected to 110 or 220 volts. This is the reset button. This is the Ethernet connector. You don't need to use Ethernet connector if you are using Wi-Fi. This is the power connector. The red part on the top flashes when it detects any movement. This is the main lens. It has IR and it also has normal LEDs. This is the speaker. Mic is on the down side. It has two Wi-Fi antennas.